Based on satellite images and information found on Guilford's website, we estimate that 40% requires landscaping maintenance. That's a total of about 136 acres that are mowed, fertilized, and leaf blown on a weekly basis. Now consider this. According to the EPA, the average acre takes about 3.5 gallons of oil to mow. That makes for a total of about 476 gallons consumed by landscaping maintenance in 1 week alone. But why should we care? In 1 year, Guilford College will produce 163,200 pounds in lawn clippings that need to be removed. We will consume 27,888 pounds of fertilizer. And each lawnmower will release 88 pounds of carbon dioxide, a prominent greenhouse gas. Worldwide, 17 million gallons of oil are spilled refueling lawn and garden equipment. Fertilizers are a harmful pollutant because rain will eventually cause them to run into bodies of water, there causing eutrophication. This means fertilizers causes algae blooms, and the algae covers the surface of the water. Sunlight is not able to penetrate the water surface, and aquatic plants below are not able to grow. The lack of oxygen that would have been produced by these plants kills fish. Certain algae also produce toxins which can kill birds, mammals, and cause health problems in humans. But neighbors in our local community may have a solution for the disturbance that landscaping causes on our campus.
There's a herd of vegetarians on the loose at the intersection of Kenilworth Drive and Business 85 in High Point.
This is the beginning, and we'll see where we go.
Their diet is pretty simple.
Some of them are working on blackberry briars. This bunch here right now is working on a lot of honeysuckle vines. And of course, when we first got them off, some of them are over here in the kudzu vines, tearing and pulling at those.
To manage the land that Guilford owns, traditional methods are currently being used which are damaging the environment with the emissions that the machinery produces. This could be remedied by incorporating goats. Goats could be rented from local companies by Guilford to clear vegetation from land on the campus. This has been done nearby by the city of High Point to clear land overgrown with unwanted plants so that it could be better used. If Guilford tries out the program and finds the goats effective, then they could even purchase their own to house on campus at the Guilford farm. Goats do a great job of removing unwanted grasses and plants without harming the environment by releasing any chemicals or emissions, but they could also help to solve another environmental issue: invasive plants. Designated by state or national agricultural authorities as threatening to agricultural and/or horticultural crops and/or humans and livestock include everything from the fast-growing kudzu vine that blankets the eastern, southern, and central states to the Texas blueweed of the southwest United States. Forests and rangelands are being infested, cropland production is being negatively impacted, streams and waterways are being choked with weeds, and wildlife species are losing habitat. These conditions are just a few of the negative impacts that will continue or will become more severe if successful actions are not taken to halt and/or reverse this trend. This is why goats may be the solution to our land management needs.